over wire drawing machine. Install the payoff reel. The rolled metal wire blank is wound onto the payoff rack. Install the wire drawing die, pass through the wire arranger. This is 12-die wire drawing machine with 1 die in it. The tower wheel surface adopts special treatment to improve the surface hardness and roughness. The die base adopts inlay design to ensure the center distance of drawing and reduce the probability of wire breaking. During the wire drawing process, water needs to flow continuously to reduce frictional heat and prevent overheating and oxidation of the wire and the die. The stretched thin wire is evenly wound onto the take-up drum. Welcome to contact us.